Hey caregivers, Lisa Will over here from At Home with Dementia. And today we are talking about fight. So, a lot of you, when your loved one is diagnosed with dementia, your first instinct is you want to fight it. But unlike other conditions, that won't work. There is no cure for dementia and it is progressive. So, fighting dementia is just a waste of your energy. And you, as a caregiver, will need all of your energy. But the good news is, while you can't cure dementia right now, what you can do is slow its progression. What you can do is let your loved one peacefully coexist with dementia. And I know that probably doesn't sound like something you want to do, but trust me, we have been there. And I watch Aunt Gerri every day. She is about 6 years into her diagnosis, and she's doing wonderful. She does something that we all strive to do. She lives in the moment. We are always told that we should be mindful and we should be present and we should live in the moment. We shouldn't linger in yesterday or focus so much on tomorrow that we miss what's right here, right now. That we should be grateful and practice gratitude. And I have to be honest, that is exactly how Aunt Gerri lives her life. She's not fighting dementia. She's also not hiding from it. We've always been very honest about it. There are signs around her house that say, you have dementia and it's okay. That means you don't remember things. So let's use all these tools to help you do that. So when you hear people say dementia is something that you need to fight, resist that urge because you will help your loved one so much more if you learn to coexist with it. So what you can do is improve their diet. Make sure they are seen regularly by their doctor and that they have the appropriate medications. Make sure you are keeping their brains active and stimulated. Make sure they're getting physical activity. Make sure you are visiting frequently or that you've set up a network of friends, family, former coworkers, neighbors, volunteers to help with this. Because the more engagement, the more interaction your loved one has, the longer you can extend those mild to moderate stages of dementia, and the slower the disease will progress. When your loved one gets dementia, don't look at it as something you need to fight. Look at it as something that you have to strategically and carefully navigate. And we're here to help. For more information, watch our next video. Check out athomewithdementia.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.